So to make this 3D pop-out picture, I will first use this picture and I will download free. And as you can see, there are small, medium and large and original size. All the dimensions you can download for free. And I'm just clicking on download free button. Okay. And after that, I will just come to Canva. And here, as you can see, I have a YouTube thumbnail for this example. Okay, in the element section, I will first use this guitar picture, which is, as you can see, it's Hawaiian ukulele guitar. So I will first use this picture for this example, and I will make it a bit smaller, okay, so that I can use this picture. And after that, just copy it and add page and another page, and keep it in the third page by cutting this picture by using Ctrl+X in the keyboard and just keeping it in the third page. Okay, and after that I will use the picture, the girl picture holding the guitar, and I will just re-upload it here, and I will make the picture bigger. Okay, and decrease the transparency to check it if it is working fine for us or not. So let's make it bigger and place it right here. Okay, so this one is working fine. And after that, when this setting is done, increase the transparency and cut this picture, which is, again, you place Ctrl+X in the keyboard and paste the picture in the second page. Okay, and for the first page I will go to edit here, scroll down to find duotone here, click on it, click on custom and change both the colors to black. Okay, when this is done, now download the page 1 and 2. Make sure you are keeping both as PNG image and download it. So first I will download the page 1. Next I will download the page 2. Okay, so when this is done, now click on add page, and here I will bring the rest of the design. So for this I will scroll down to find apps. Here write blend, and before working on it, just re-upload both the designs here. Okay, click on blend image and make sure the blend mode is in screen. And for the bottom layer I will be using this guitar image, use selected image, and for the top layer I will be using this portrait. And as you can see, the portrait is created. Now I will click on add to design and paste it here. Okay, so when this is done, now I will just make it bigger. Okay, and I will crop out till here. Okay, and after that I will use this ukulele picture, just copy it and paste it in the 5th page, bring it to the same size and just crop till here. Okay, and for checking, just zoom in a bit and check if it is working fine or not. So as you can see, it is working fine. And after that, use the second picture from here, copy it and paste it here and use BG remover So as you can see, this image is created. Okay, and just select all of them, all of the layers, and make it slightly bigger. Okay, so the setting is done. Now we will work on the background part. So for background part, I will select this background color and I will select this light blue. And as you can see, this part here, the effect is not created as this is a white part. So I will click again on BG remover for this ukulele image. Okay, so now it is done. After that, select this background color and make it a lighter tone like this. Okay, and after that, come to elements here and here write white glow and use this third one and place it right here and decrease the transparency like this and right click it, go to layer, send to back. Okay, so a glow layer is created. Now we will work on this image part and I will go to edit here and here I will go to adjust, increase the brightness a bit and also increase the whites. Okay, so to enhance the portrait image here, I have done this, and after that I will work slightly on the vibrance and slightly on the saturation part. Okay, so this setting is done and your image is ready. So let's make a quick revision of this design. So first I have chosen this ukulele image and made a copy of it, and from the copy we have made it black color using the duotone effect. Okay, so make both the colors black by using the custom design and use this main image, just adjust it in the frame using the transparency, and after that bring it to the second page and here download both the page 1 and 2, this page 1 and this is page 2. Download it and just re-upload it here and use the blend image app. Just scrolling here, we will find the blend image app, use it and use the bottom layer as this guitar and the top layer as this portrait, and you will get a picture like this. And but the picture will not be proper because only the guitar part of the picture will be shown. Now for this main picture, you will bring again the main picture from the second page and paste it in the fifth page, which is this one, and just use the BG remover icon from here, and when the setting is done, use the ukulele part here and just crop it till you find the adjustment strings here, and after that use the white glow element here, just decrease the transparency. As you can see, just decrease it to 57 and after that send to back so that I can create a glow button, and you can for extra enhancement use brightness, just change the whites, the vibrance, the saturation like this and get a picture like this. So hope you like this tutorial and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more beautiful tutorials like this. Thank you.